Frustrated by X, formerly Twitter, video playback errors stopping your scroll? Let's get those videos playing smoothly again. First, let's make sure your browser is up to date if you're watching on a computer. Open your web browser, go to the Settings or Help menu, and look for an About section. Click on it to check for and install any available updates. An outdated browser can cause all sorts of issues. If you're using the X app on your phone or tablet, head to your device's settings, find the General or System section, and then Software Update. Make sure your phone's operating system is current also. Check your app store for any X app updates. Developers often release fixes for playback problems in new versions. Next, let's clear out some digital clutter by clearing your browser's cache and cookies in your browser settings. Look for Privacy and Security or History. You should find options to clear browsing data. Select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Then clear them. This can resolve corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with video playback. For the app, go to your phone's main settings, find Apps or Application Manager, locate the X app, and then look for Storage. You should see an option to clear cache. This works similarly to clearing cache in a browser, removing temporary app data that could be causing the problem. Now, a crucial step: check your internet connection. Playback errors are often caused by a weak or unstable internet signal. Try loading other websites or videos to see if they work. If your internet is slow or dropping, try restarting your router or modem. You might also consider moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or using a wired Ethernet connection if possible. After these steps, try reloading X and playing the video again if you're still encountering issues. It's possible the video itself has a problem, or there's a temporary glitch on X's end. Give it some time and try again later. Hopefully, these tips have you back to enjoying your favorite X videos.